In this video, I'll show you how to change your Minecraft skin. This is gonna be very easy and useful to you guys. If it's useful, please leave a like and subscribe. So let's get right into the video. First, you have to go to the escape menu or the main menu. It says Minecraft. Go to that. In trial, you can go to that. It is works on the main. No, not that. Sorry. Go to dressing room, right, guys? Example, I have this skin that's customized. I'll create a character. Look, guys, you have to go to that like clothing thing, right? You can also customize your skin. You can go to the clothing thing. As you guys can see, I've downloaded the skin I wanted. You can choose the model you wanted, like the Steve version or the Slim Alex version. I'll choose the Slim Arm version because it's made for that. This is how I got my Minecraft skin. You can also customize it like this. You can customize like the eyes, this everything. You can even customize their hair. Yeah, you can customize. You can even make their hair like this. It's kind of funny to do that. I hope this video was helpful to you guys and all of my viewers who are watching. As you can see, I'm the skin. Let me change my skin. That's kind of funny. Look, guys, this is how you change your Minecraft skin. This video, I hope it helped you out. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.